Welcome to Project Pro Code Recipes. In this video, we are going to learn on how to reindex a Panda data series and data frame. So this is my code snippet. I have copy pasted this code and I have run that in my Jupyter notebook. So let's go to my Jupyter notebook. Okay. Now these are I have defined a function named Kickstarter example 101. These are general to print statements. In order to avoid unnecessary warning, I have imported warnings, warning.filter, warning ignore. Now I have imported my data frame library for creating a data frame. Import pandas as pd. After that, I have made a series pd.series. Now corresponding to each index, these are the values. So for Bisbee it's 34, for Douglas it is 23, for Sierra Vista it's 12, and for Tombstone it's 23. Now after that I have printed this panda series, and then I have re-indexed it. So re-indexing it means I have used this bushfire risk to create a new brush fire risk indexed by using reindex function. So what it does, it will check whether these reindex list that I have given matches the brush fire risk, and if it matches, it will give the corresponding value. If it doesn't, it will give it the nan value. So I have written the code for that. For in the third part, I have done the same thing, but rather than giving them none values, I have filled them with index 1. Sorry, I filled the missing index with 0. For example, Sierra Vista, you can see barley is not present in brush fire risk, so this means none values will be provided to that. In order to avoid none values, I have given them 0 value by using fill values 0. Now after that, I have created a data frame. This is a completely different thing. So I've created a data frame, data, country, year, and reports. So pd.data frame, this is the data dictionary. I've converted the data dictionary to data frame by using panda.data frame function. Now after that, I have re-indexed it again using using report. For example, 43210. Now column titles were year, reports, and country. So df.reindexed, I'm re-indexing it using the column titles. So you can see the first output was this. The second output, as I told you, it wasn't present, so it got nan values. The third got zeros. Now this was my country reports value. Okay, this is the default index. As you can see, this is the default index which is given by my data frame. So after re-indexing it, I re-indexed it as 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. And in the last, I've re-indexed it using years, reports, and country. So this was all in this video. Now for more codes using for more projects using the same techniques, you can go here, and the link for the URL for the code will be available in the description below. Thank you.